Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start your Honda Insight. First, prioritize safety by gathering your jumper cables and gloves. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park, with parking brakes engaged. For your Insight, the 12-volt battery is typically in the center console, but the jump terminal is conveniently located under the hood. This preparation prevents electrical surges and ensures a smooth process. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red clamp to the positive jump terminal under your Honda Insight's hood. This terminal is usually covered by a plastic cap. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Ensure all connections are secure and not touching other metal parts. To complete the connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Honda Insight, such as an engine mounting bolt. Do not connect it directly to the Insight's negative battery terminal. Once all cables are connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. After this charging period, attempt to start your Honda Insight. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes and try again. Once your Honda Insight has successfully started, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Insight. Next, disconnect the black clamp from the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Remember to check the description for the link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, remove the red clamps from both positive terminals, starting with the working vehicle, then your Insight. Keep your engine running for at least 20 minutes to ensure a good charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.